single-digit wind chills on this Saturday morning. A live look over Campus Martius, downtown Detroit, and the rink is still there. Of course, no one on it, but you can just see that shadow. The sun coming up, and it's beautiful. We'll see that sunshine today, which is going to be nice. Unfortunately, it's not going to do us a whole lot of justice with bringing those temperatures up, and we'll see temperatures slowly rising today again, more so than yesterday. So I will say that, and then we're going to jump about 10 degrees tomorrow, and then jump from there until we almost come in on 50 degrees next week, and we'll be tracking some wet weather. But so far, this is how the snow has stacked up for our season. We've had 36.6 inches of snow so far this winter. 42.7 is average, and so far this month we've had over 14.5. Now, we were close to 5 inches just this past Wednesday, so we really caught up. Now it is dry, 22 in Ann Arbor, bright sunshine in Adrian, 23 degrees downtown, and we're talking about our wind chills. So we do have those winds providing a few lake effect flurries from time to time, especially through St. Clair County, but not real heavy, which is good news. 9 degrees is how it feels in Ann Arbor when you factor in the wind. Pontiac as well, and 11 Detroit. Our winds gusting about 20 to 25, so it is breezy, but not nearly as gusty as it has been the past couple of days. And these wind chill temperatures will stay in the upper teens to low 20s through the afternoon. Winds will become lighter tonight, so tomorrow morning, wind chills in the teens. You're noticing just a little improvement there as well. Hour by hour forecast takes us into the afternoon. We'll see some sunshine from time to time. Yeah, a little bit of cloud cover, especially through the thumb or areas north of the city. Tomorrow, more of the same. Should start bright with increasing clouds through the afternoon or even toward the evening hours. Now, Monday, right now the timing looks early, but we're going to have to work on exactly when the rain comes in. It looks like any time from early or mid-morning. And then this system is on the northern edge of it. A lot of that rain, heavier rain, will stay just to our south, but as it slides through, it brings us rain maybe into the early afternoon or early evening drive. And then Tuesday, a slight chance there's a system just off to our south on Tuesday. These systems, it's going to be one just about every day trying to get through here, but we're again just on that northerly track where it has to move a little further north to really kind of get us, so to speak, but we're going to include it and watch it over the next several days next week. 33 are high today, 19 are low tonight, so still cold, partly cloudy. 43 on Sunday, and then upper 40s on Monday. 30% chance for rain on Monday. It does not look that high, so we're starting to at least notice maybe drier weather on Tuesday. Now, Wednesday system looks like a little better bet Wednesday, and then a lingering shower on Thursday, but temperatures not really